How to get cat costume on Snapchat. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat right here. And once inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the corner of your screen. Now, once inside, you have to click on the hanger icon above your profile. Once inside, you will be taken to the costume page. You can just go ahead and swipe up this menu right here. Click on the hanger icon once more, and this is where we can go ahead and find the cat costume. You basically want to scroll down until you came across the costumes right here for animals. So let me just go ahead and find out real quick. And so as you can go ahead and see, inside we then have the ability to choose our costume. I'll just go ahead and choose this one. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.